Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy paste in Photoshop CC. So firstly click on this tool and select area which you want to copy, like this area. So select it, then click on edit, then click on copy merge. Now click on edit and click on paste. Now click on this selection tool and paste anyway. That's it. So very easy and simple method to copy in Photoshop CC. And just click on this tool. Now select, then click on edit, copy, then again click on edit and paste. And in the paste special, you can paste in place, paste into, or paste outside. So there are three options. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.